Turn any bike into an electric powerhouse with the Kamingo eBike conversion kit. Just swap the wheel, attach the battery, and boom, your old ride becomes a high-performance e-bike. Plug-and-play setup, no complicated wiring or tools needed. Climb hills like a pro, commute faster, and save energy, all with one simple upgrade. Up to 50 miles of range, multiple speed modes, and a sleek LCD display. Eco-friendly, wallet-friendly, and way more fun. City streets or weekend trails, the Kamingo kit gives your bike the power to do it all. Use pedal assist for long rides or throttle-only mode when you just want to cruise. Install it yourself in under 30 minutes, seriously, it's that easy. Built-in lighting, waterproof design, and smooth acceleration, commute smarter in any weather. Why spend $2,000 plus on a new e-bike, when you can upgrade your old one for a fraction of the price? Silent. Clean. Efficient. Go green without giving up your favorite ride. The Kamingo e-bike conversion kit, because the future should fit your lifestyle, not the other way around.